Hi, good morning, friends. I made this video in order to remove the misconception of my friends regarding OET. So, I won't blame them or I won't say it's their fault because every day they watch some videos which reiterates you can pass OET within 1 week or 15 days. So, I thought I will give an overview of OET. So, let's look what is OET. So, OET means Occupational English Language Test and it assesses the proficiency of healthcare professionals seeking to register and practice in an English speaking environment. It provides a validated, reliable assessment of all four language skills that are listening, reading, writing, and speaking. So, OET test candidates from the following 12 health professions. It includes dentistry, dietetics, medicine, nursing, occupational therapy, etc. So, about the test, OET assesses listening, reading, writing, and speaking skills, and there is a separate subtest for each skill area. So, let's look in detail. So, listening subtest lasts for 45 minutes, and there are 3 tasks, and it is common to all 12 professions. And about reading, it lasts for 60 minutes and there are 3 tasks which is common to all 12 portions as well. Then it comes the writing. It lasts for 45 minutes and there is only one task and it is specific to each profession. In this one, we write a letter in a clear and accurate way which is relevant for the reader. Then regarding speaking, it lasts for 20 minutes and there are 2 tasks which is specific to each profession also. Then in this section, we effectively communicate in a real life context through the use of role plays. Before the role play, there will be a warm-up session, but that is not assessed. But in my opinion, even though it is not assessed, we should show the proficiency because the examiner, the interlocutor, will know how fluent we are in that section. So let's look in detail the listening module. So listening module consists of 3 sessions, part A, part B and part C. So in part A, remember you listen to a recording of 2 consultations between a health professional and a patient. That is a dialogue. You take notes while you listen. So you need 3 skills here: listening, reading, and writing at the same time. This part of the test usually lasts around 15 minutes. Before you attempt the practice test, consider some important tips. So always use the subheadings to guide you and give specific rather than general information from the recording. Always don't jump ahead or back. The gaps follow the sequence of the recording. Always remember, write full sentence. Don't write full sentences. They're asking a word or a short phrase that is sufficient. Don't waste valuable time using an eraser to correct a mistake if you make one. Just simply cross out any words you don't want the person marking your paper to accept. This takes a lot less time and you will not be penalized. In part B, you listen to 6 recorded extracts from the healthcare workplace. You answer one multiple choice question for each extract. This part of the test usually lasts around 10 minutes. So always read the contextual information for each extract to understand the interaction you will hear. Read through each question carefully and guess the answers. It will help you to get the right answer. Then mark your answers on this question paper by filling in the circle using a 2B pencil. Then Don't select your answer until you have heard the whole extract. Don't fill in more than one circle on the question paper, as the scanner will not be able to recognize your answer and you will not receive any marks for that question. Then let's move on part C, that is the last part of listening module. In part C, listen to 2 recordings of a recorded presentation or interview on a health related issue. You will answer 6 multiple choice questions for each recording while you listen. This part of the test usually lasts around 15 minutes. Before you attempt the practice test, consider some important tips below. Always read through each question carefully and mark your answers on this question paper by filling in the circle using a 2B pencil. Don't wait for any keywords in the question or answer options to be said in the recording. Sometimes the speaker will often use synonyms of the words you read. Fill in more than one circle on the question paper, as the scanner will not be able to recognize your answer and you will not receive any marks for that question. So friends, thank you for your support and watching my channel, and I will come with another video regarding the reading section. So you will get more awareness about this OET exam. Okay, thank you. Bye.